So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you have a Whirlpool Inverter AC and the remote of that AC looks like this and the remote of your AC is not working properly or the remote is damaged and you have to use your AC from mobile in emergency, then today I am going to tell you how you can use AC from mobile very easily. So let's start the video. Before using AC from mobile, keep in mind that if you have Xiaomi Redmi phone or your phone has IR blaster, then only you can use AC from your mobile. That too without Wi-Fi connectivity, and you can use your AC anytime offline. First of all, open Play Store in mobile. Now search Blue Star AC Remote in Play Store. Now install Blue Star AC Remote. Now Blue Star AC Remote is installed. Now go inside this app. Now turn on the AC from the main switch, and just like you use the AC with the remote, you have to use it from the mobile in the same way. Now you can see the remote in the application. You have to operate your AC with this remote and you can use your AC offline anytime without Wi-Fi connectivity. Before making this video, I have tried it practically in my AC. I am uploading this video only after it is successful, so believe me, it will work perfectly. I hope you have understood the information given by me, so like my video and subscribe to the channel.